You don't have to see a client after you, right?
No clients.
Oh, okay, good.
After that, I'm coming back home
Good.
so I can have my massage.
That's right. And
some
that's
things.
right. And also, I'll cook dinner for you. What do you want?
Fish.
Fish? Okay.
Fish and shrimp.
Good, no problem.
No problem.
Shrimp, okay.
So, everything is okay?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm very happy.
You are wonderful.
Thank you, likewise, Patrick. So I can't wait. I can't wait to see the painting here.
Okay, I'm gonna get it for you. So you can move that one and...
There you go.
Where's the key? Where's the key?
The key?
Yeah.
I don't have it.
Oh my God. Don't tell me you left it in the car again.
No, I don't think so.
Thanks God we live in
Maybe
a nice
when I-
neighborhood, otherwise, you know, those cars will be gone. Let me go.
All right, honey. Well, then I'll see you, okay?
Okay, baby.
Bye.
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 Bonjour madame.
Bonjour,
Bonjour
mademoiselle.
madame, ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Vous êtes le cas?
Oui, vous êtes amateur d'art moderne?
Oui.
Oui. Vous aimez?
J'adore.
D'accord,
merci
bonne
madame.
chance.
Natacha.
Salut, madame.
Alors, on va les aller voir
Tu as vu?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais là? Oh, you know me?
Ok, oui.
Ça fait longtemps, hein? Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Sandra?
Oh.
C'est Patrick.
Sandra?
That's my best friend.
Ok, ok.
Yeah, tiens, appelle-moi, tiens.
Bon, on y va.
Je suis ravi de te voir. Comment ça marche?
Eh bien, ma galerie est, semble-t-il, un lieu de rencontre.
Bien sûr!
Ça fait longtemps, hein?
Oh my God.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I'm here to formulate a complaint.
Okay.
I am Reverend George from the Baptist Church of Newkirk, and I just found out that one of my church members has been arrested by one of your members in an illegal way. As far as I know, there was no search warrant issued, and then not only my church member was arrested, but he was bitten, badly bitten. And I'm here to find out why. What was the problem? You Haitian, sir?
Yes, I'm Haitian.
Okay, so
I see you are Haitian.
on nous parle de bon, comment nègre peut entrer dans l'église moi sans autorisation en département de la justice pour nègre à la Haïti mon yo battre tout contre ces anglais donc en Haïti.
Bon, franchement, qu'est-ce que moi je parle pour? Je vais mener une investigation. Je vais appeler l'agent. Vous me connaissez?
Oui, avec tout respect. Mais comment on fait au chita là ou par contre ça a passé dans le département?
Pasteur.
Non, c'est pasteur. C'est
Sorry.
Reverend George Alcee, A-L-C-E-E, George Alcee.
Ok.
Qui te prend nom avec ID ou, bon, ouais, m'a écrit en dans Bible. Donc, ça veut dire que je prends Dieu à témoin. Si ou pas, bon, on réponse.
Non, non. Pasteur.
Reverend George Alcee, A-L-C-E-E.
Révérend Alcee.
Yes.
C'est ça.
Yes.
Révérend Alcee.
C'est ça.
Moi, je fais promesse que je vais régler toute bagaille. Je vais contacter l'agent comme je dis et que toute bagaille à côté.
Ok.
Ok.
All right.
Pas de problème.
En tout cas, comme dit, ici, pas qu'à faire des anglais, non?
Vous mettez côté.
Ni
Vous mettez côté.
pas de la table.
Vous mettez côté.
Ok. All right, au revoir.
Ok.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Docteur, qu'est-ce que tu me tournes? Gros problème?
Son j'ai test, on t'a fait pour voir.
Uh-huh.
Chérie, il est positif.
Non, docteur, c'est pas possible. Il va pas tromper un examen?
Il a ce qu'on trompe, il gagne des fois. Il
Mais
est très
c'est
rare.
désactivé parce que nous sommes gens qui fait respect.
Tu n'as pas prendre tout la transfusion. Si tu prends une transfusion qui te gagne maladie à la dent. Une série de médicaments que m'a prescrit et que on prend régulièrement. Et on a besoin de moins encore pendant 2 semaines.
Merci, docteur.
Bon courage. Encore dans 2 semaines.
C'est libre. Ouais, il est passé.
Come in.
Counselor, Mr. Jones is here to see you. Can you see him now?
Sure, let him in.
Patrick! Counselor? How you doing?
Nice to see you, sir.
Counselor.
Come on, sit down.
I'm here for one simple reason, to do business with you as usual. One of my clients, Kevin Stewart, as you probably read in the paper, was wrongly accused for something I know he didn't do. But you know, working for me as a businessman, you know, I have always been a target. And you, the only attorney in town qualified to handle those cases, I'm having all the confidence that you're going to solve this problem for him. So I am willing right now, Patrick, to leave you a retainer of $25,000. I want guarantee from you that my client will be out immediately. $25,000. If it's not enough, you let me know. I just talked to his wife and she is going hysterical. Please.
Mr. John, I'm going to do my very best.
Counselor, your best is not enough for me. I want guarantee.
I'm going to see what I can do, sir.
Okay, guarantee.
That's a guarantee.
Okay, fine.
That's a guarantee.
Thank you.
Okay.
I know I could always count on you. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you for your
I'll have to
business.
go on.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
sir.
you, thank you. And say hi to the family for me, okay?
Yes, I will. I will,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
Detective Premise,
Go ahead, sir.
what is your location?
I'm in the precinct right now.
I need you in my office right now. Right now. Did you arrest anyone from Reverend Else's churches?
No, sir.
Let me see the file. You're dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my God.
I'll give you a call back. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye-bye. Hello?
Yes.
Hey, Patrick, what's up?
Okay. Listen, do me a favor. Try to call the courthouse to find out the status of Kevin Stewart, what he's been accusing for, and then to see what I can do.
Okay, let me check something. Hold on a second. Okay. Kevin Stewart. Huh.
Yeah.
I have this guy's file in front of me right now. It does not look good. They offer us a deal for 5 years. Why don't you just take that?
No, let's do it. Nobody get okay. It's just people that really go to spend some money. I have $45,000 in my hand right now.
They give you a deposit for $25,000?
Yeah.
That was a bad deal, Patrick. I think I made a wrong move by taking that deposit, but there's no guarantee on this guy. You want me to set you a court date?
Yes, please.
Okay. Fais-tu recorder?
That.
C'est quand sorti des portes devant l'ouvrir, n'importe qui peut entrer pour chita dehors. Mais après l'eau, on va même répondre au téléphone. Tu vas bien? Allez, viens, je suis en bas. Comment vas-tu? What's wrong? Oui, non, mais tu m'inquiètes. Moi, les cellulaires ou pas répondre. Moi, les lacailles ou pas répondre. Moi, je viens là, porte devant l'ouvrir. Bon, mais qu'on a l'entrée dans le fumer, mais là. Mais ça presque vite dans notre tête. Mais pourquoi?
Et bon, je décide.
Bon, moi, je trouve pas mettre du fait là-dedans. Où elle fait sens?
C'est pas mon problème.
Mais tout le monde est inquiet. Tu ne réponds aucun appel. Ou vague sur tout le monde.
Pas sur ça, pas sur ça. Pas
oui, mais soit bien. Ou grosse? Soit bien. Ma vache. C'est si grave que ça? Oh! Quand on sortit à saloperie ça?
Pas connaître.
Comment on fait pas connaître?
Pas connaître.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais saisir? Qu'est-ce que le médecin dit? C'est quand ton prochain rendez-vous?
Le petit prochain.
Mais j'irai avec toi. S'il faut que je change mes horaires de travail, que j'aille à la gym avec toi tous les jours, ma voilà pas pour. C'est pour ça que les amis.
Tout c'est ça. Patrick, je suis dans la pile de mon téléphone.
C'est Patrick garçon, nous t'ai rencontré. Hein? Et vous, alors fait même sorte de fait non pas répondre.
Pas répondre, la pile, qui ça me va dire?
Comment ça on va prendre ça pour
dire?
dire?
Il avec moi, il veut nous sortir.
Et qu'est-ce qui t'en empêche?
Non, je ne peux pas lui faire ça.
Qui sort pas qu'à faire là?
I can't do that. Il va juste pour lui, it's not fair. That's not fair, damn it.
Mais combien de temps qu'il te faut boire son bois de capote? Alors, parce que tu es malade, ta vie sexuelle s'arrête, au monde va attendre depuis 20 ans.
Oui, mais faut me dire ça.
Mais pour qui ça pour dire ça? Moi, perdu encore? Pour qui ça pour dire ça? Il n'y a pas de raison.
Il y a besoin de dire that much.
Parce que pour te dire ça, mais pour ça que pas besoin de dire, pas besoin de voir.
Il dit ça me fait.
Alors, dans ton 20e siècle, ça, on va cacher ton bois de capote?
No! Huh? No, I can understand. I cannot understand. Hey. Listen. Do you know anything about this case?
Yeah, let's go. We were listening. We had a small chase, fruit chase down Alabama Avenue, and I picked him up. As a matter of fact,
Hold on. Do you know anything about this?
I went just on foot. So wherever I said we picked him up from the church.
Yes.
No, it's not true. It's not true.
Yeah, because he came out to my office and complained you and premise arrest Kevin.
No, we didn't do that. No. I picked him up Alabama Avenue. We had a small foot chase. I'm sure we rid of it. Yeah, that's true.
Oh. Okay. What I want you to do, I want you to go to the Yucca church and find out who is Reverend Nelson.
No problem. We'll do.
Okay.
We'll find out who he is. Okay.
All right.
No.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, it's me. Listen, I have a deal for you.
What kind of deal?
And if you give me $75,000, I will give you 100,000 in goods.
What kind of goods are you talking about, Miguel?
Have excellent merchandise, man. It's from China and Colombia. It's up to you.
Miguel, I don't think I am interested now. Why? Because you are a liar. You lied to me once before. Okay? You screwed me big time. So you think now I'm going to let you do it so easily a second time, right?
What do you say? You have a deal?
No. All right. But we can still negotiate, yeah? All right. Okay. All right, bye.
Allô?
Natacha, comment vas-tu?
Patrick, comment vas-tu, chérie?
Ça va, chérie, mais ça fait longtemps, hein?
Tu sais, j'étais très contente de te revoir.
Enfin, ça a été une très grande surprise pour moi de te retrouver parce que je n'aurais jamais cru que j'allais te trouver dans une place pareille, quoi.
Tu vas bien?
Vu ton absence, mais je me débrouille quand même.
Super.
Et
Super.
comment ça va?
Ça va, je vais bien.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie?
Je vais très bien. Bon,
Non,
on a...
je ne pas loin de toi parce que ça fait longtemps, hein?
Oui, tu as disparu de ma vie, j'ai disparu de la tienne, donc...
Non, tu n'allais pas m'accuser, je t'avais pas disparu de ta vie. Quelque chose s'est passé, tu m'avais laissé tomber, je pensais que tu avais trouvé ton petit bonhomme de chemin et puis c'est tout.
Patrick, arrête. Je ne t'ai pas laissé tomber. Et tu le sais. Ok?
Est-ce que tu t'en souviens? On avait parlé
Patrick,
de l'après-midi et puis c'est tout.
arrête. Oui, je sais. Je vais t'expliquer. C'est une longue histoire. Ok? Où qu'on est maman pas très bon pour moi, pas vrai? M'a dormi au jour soir.
Venez.
Et puis, il vient lever moi. Le mi-temps de nuit. Et puis, ça m'a réalisé lui. Parce qu'il y a du faux bon bail encore. Dès que c'est une journée, nous avions New York. Et puis, vraiment, je ne m'attends pas.
Ok, est-ce qu'il y a moyen de te voir cet après-midi? Bien sûr, j'ai envie de te voir.
D'accord, on peut se revoir.
Un peu de moi. Et comme tu sais déjà, je suis un avocat, je travaille.
Ne parle pas de ça, je sais que tu es un avocat. Parle-moi de ta famille.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu veux savoir?
De ta famille, de tes activités.
Ma famille.
How you doing, counselor?
Mr. Jones.
How's everything, sir?
How you doing, sir?
I am doing wonderful.
You look good.
Thank you. Who's this beautiful lady there? Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
If you would please excuse us for a second.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, okay.
Vas-y.
Excuse us, eh?
Go ahead.
Who's this beautiful lady, man?
She's my client, man.
Your client?
Yeah.
Man, you know I never ask you for anything in my life. Can you please introduce her to me, man? She is beautiful. Come on.
Come on, Mr. Jones.
Please, come on. Do me this favor.
Okay, we're working on a case right now, so I'm gonna get back
Would
to
you
you,
like to?
okay?
Okay, sir. Yeah, no problem. Don't forget that. Counselor, how's your wife and kids?
They're doing okay.
They're okay?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
All right, sir. All right, now. Don't forget now.
Your wife and kid. Patrick.
Yes?
This is the police. Police. Hi, sir. I'm fine, thank you. I'm the detective. I'm looking for Reverend Ashley.
Robert Halsey.
Yes.
We don't have anybody here by that name.
Oh, he told me it's the ministry of this church. Is this your church?
Yes, indeed. But I've been serving this congregation for the past 5 years. I've never met anybody by that name, unfortunately.
Oh, I'm mistaken, because he told me he's his ministry. He works here.
No.
Well, sorry to bother you.
No problem. God bless you.
You too, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Stella, I'm home.
What happened? I don't understand.
Yeah, I lost the case, but now the guy's going to jail for 25 years.
Oh,
25 years.
25 years? Goodness. I'm sorry, honey. But you know something? I know you're going to make it, okay? I know this is hard for you. It's part of your career. You are a great lawyer of prestige and everything, and you've never lost a case. But you know what? Don't worry about it. This is you're gonna overcome it, okay?
Honey, listen, I don't care. This isn't about the money, about I can work for any law firm. I don't have a problem with that. But it's like the DA, they cut me a deal.
Mm-hmm.
So the guy will go to jail for 5 years. So I refused. But now I lost everything. I lost everything.
Honey, look. If the DA cut you a deal and you didn't take it, it's because you have moral standards. You did very good in not taking that deal.
Yeah, but at the end, guess what? I messed up. That's a big mess. And there's no way to clean up that mess.
I know there's a way, honey, okay? I know there's a way. I know you're gonna make it. Trust me, I know you are. Honey, I know you are a very good lawyer, okay?
Thank you, dear.
Bonsoir, madame. Et m'as besoin de 2 baskets là.
Anniversaire?
Oh, juste célébration.
Boisson, ok. Voilà. C'est pour des personnes différentes?
Yeah, deux différentes personnes.
Ok.
Est-ce que... Ok, ça c'est pour Stella.
Yeah.
Ok, et cela c'est pour Natacha, ok?
Ok.
Et c'est que le qu'on pense que quelqu'un va faire délivrer?
Dans 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Dans 15
Wonderful. Very good.
Ok.
Very good, thank you. Ok, et ça fait combien?
150.
150. Ok, no problem.
Thank you, monsieur.
Ok, madame.
Dans 15 minutes, ok?
Ok, merci infiniment.
Merci. Elisabeth?
Oui, madame.
Ok. Bien délivré, bon. Make sure ou pas mélanger, tu vas pour aller dans des adresses différentes, ok?
Ok, madame.
Ok. Ça c'est un troisième qui va dans l'autre adresse.
Hey, beautiful.
Papi, chérie.
How's everything?
Did you send me flowers?
Did you like them?
I got them, chérie. Thanks.
Great, perfect.
What's your wife's name?
Come on, baby. Come on.
Well, then I guess there's a problem. Parce que quand la vini, and sous quand la, c'est non, c'était là quand qu'est-ce que je fais.
So, dis.
I want to take care of that and then get back to me. Alright? Call me back. Love you. À plus tard, chérie. Bye.
I don't want any other woman's thing inside my car. Yeah, you've told me too many times, right?
Let me
Do
put it
not
there.
put that inside my car, Patrick. I don't want that inside my car. That does not belong to me. You did not give that to me. You gave it to this woman, Natasha.
This is not mine. I don't know where you get that thing from. This is not my handwriting. You keep accusing me with something I don't even know. How many times do I have to tell you the same thing? This is not mine.
Okay, Patrick. Yes, it's not yours.
So what I have to do with this?
Take it and do whatever you want with it. I don't know. Give it to that woman. It is hers.
Stella, come on.
Hi, gentlemen. As you know, for the past few weeks I've been negotiating with Patrick for Kevin's release from jail. Kevin was the business. He was the centerpiece. Since he was arrested, I went to see that jackass attorney who guaranteed me that he would free Kevin for $25,000, which I gave him. But I think this attorney is full of shit. Now we get to a point where we got to get back our $25,000. Here in the back of you, this is a picture of Jesus on the cross. As I told him, I'm not going to lose my $25,000. If I lose my $25,000, I want to see Patrick on that cross. Creole parler, Creole comprendre.
Yes, baby. What is it?
You know how things are around here.
What is it? Bye.
Bye. Excuse me, Patrick. Excuse me. You know, we're going to have breakfast. I'm preparing breakfast for us.
Baby, look at that. No time, okay?
No time.
My client is just calling. I love you, remember that. Okay?
Oh, yes, you love me.
Yes, I love you, sweetheart.
Oh,
Okay?
yes.
Bye. Bye, I love you.
You love me very much.
Take care, love. Remember.
You have love. You have so much love.
Baby, how's your day? Good?
I suppose so.
So what you reading? Magazine, huh?
I am reading a magazine, yes. Patrick,
What is it?
you've been with another woman.
Come on, please give me a break.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you, Stella?
Is that the smell in the shirt is not my smell. I smell another woman in your shirt. Pero yo no soy estúpida. I know what's going on.
Oh.
This is not my smell, Patrick. I can smell it. I'm oliéndolo. Lo estoy oliendo. I am smelling your shirt. And it has a smell. And it's not my smell. Patrick, I hate to do this at this time, but I've been pondering on this for a very long time, and I need to talk to you.
About what?
Patrick, it's always the same thing. You coming home late. You know, I mean, look at this. We're having dinner, and it's practically time to go to bed, and it has nothing to do with your career. It's more than your career. It's a woman. I know it's a woman. The smell of your shirt, the flowers with...
What is it? This is an investigation or what?
There you go again. No, Patrick, it's not an investigation. I'm being point blank with you. I'm letting you know about my feelings, Patrick.
You have a fact, can you prove it?
Oh, yes, I can prove it.
Okay.
Like I said, the flowers, the shirt, the smell of the shirt, that smell is not mine.
It's not enough to bring a case.
Oh,
you
no.
don't have no case.
I don't have a case.
No, this is not a case.
What about you, me being a wife, you being my husband? This time around, you're not going to tell me, okay, give me those words of...
Stop, please, stop.
No, I'm not going to stop. This time, I'm not going to stop.
Natasha, please.
What?
Stop.
How can you dare say that to me? ¿Cómo tú puedes decirme eso a mí? Lo que eres un descarado. Yo no te lo dije. Yo no te lo dije que eres un descarado. Coño, cago en la mierda. ¿Cómo tú me vas a hacer esto a mí? ¿Y qué es esto? Los papeles. But what is this? It's divorce papers, but how can you do this to me, Patrick? This is what's all about. Of course you're gonna give me divorce paper. Natasha.
There's no Natasha.
Yes, there is. What about the flowers and the smell on your shirt?
Oh, now what about the smell?
Yes, that's...
Okay, that's the whole thing about the smell. Stella, please, okay?
Patrick, you're very unfair.
Please, okay, I love you.
No, you do not. You wouldn't do this to me.
Nobody know my problem here. I have a problem right now.
Patrick, how can you do this?
What's up? What's up, baby? Tell me. Wow.
This is what's up. Mira eso, God.
You're gonna sign this paper. You need to do it soon as possible. Oh my God. I don't know what else to say. You don't need to think anything. Just sign this piece of shit. And that's it.
I'm not gonna sign it.
¿Pero por qué no? You know that, Mom?
No, Gotti, no. Él no era así. Our marriage was good. You know,
Estamos
it's when this
justificando,
woman...
estamos justificando. Todos ellos son así siempre, desde el principio hasta el final. Solo que tú hasta ahora lo estás viendo, nena. Hasta ahora. Mira que me cansé de decírtelo.
My heart, I love him. I'm not gonna
Okay,
sign
forget about her. Listen what I'm gonna tell you right now, okay? You gotta think okay? And just make the decision. Because you know what? This is the best opportunity for you to, darle una patada a ese hombre.
Kari, you know what? Thank you. You don't have to say anything.
Of course I have to, because you are my cousin, and I love you. And I don't want to see your face like that, you know?
No, Kari, I'm not gonna do it.
Oh my
No
God.
lo siento, no lo siento.
Okay, it's okay. Stella, please, just see that much, please.
Believe me, not yet.
Oh my God. Okay, see you.
Bye.
I don't know, what is she thinking about? Yo la verdad que firmaría ese papel y le arrancaría hasta la cabeza, pero oh my God, she's just my cousin. Oh my goodness. It's a shame that she belongs to my family.
Hey.
C'est quoi ça? C'est ça.
That's a big one. So,
Parti?
we need to talk. Calvary?
Ok, viens en parler. Viens en parler.
Oh, regarde ça, hein. C'est réellement, réellement formidable. Hey, Natasha, can you believe this? Attends, je vais te montrer quelque chose. Quelque chose de très, 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 très important. Wow, that's beautiful. What happened? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Sure?
I'm good.
You got some? What? Okay. Let's be done.
Natasha. Natasha.
You okay? Sure? Good morning, Natasha. How are you doing there?
Good morning, doctor. How are you?
You look in good health.
Thank you, doctor.
And I must say that I'm very proud of you. Most of my patients, the first few months, are a real challenge. But you seem to be taking it very well.
You too kind, doctor. Thank you.
I have a question for you. Have you addressed your problem with your boyfriend?
Why are you asking me that question, doctor?
Don't take it wrong. It's for the protection of the both of you. And this could save his life. By the way, did you stop smoking? And I bet you did not change your eating habits either, right?
A little bit.
Okay. And we need to talk about condoms. It's the best way to protect you.
Which we use, though.
Okay.
We use condoms.
I want to make sure that you use it properly.
Oh, come on, doctor. That's stupid. Who doesn't know how to use a condom?
You'd be surprised. I've seen it all in my career.
People believe that once it gets infected, it's okay to not protect anymore, which is very far from the truth. In addition to AIDS, there's a lot of other diseases out there, including syphilis, herpes, chlamydia, and gonorrhea, to name a few, that you still can catch. All right, dear. Let's go out there. I'll show you a few things.
Okay, doctor.
Natasha! Natasha!
Yes, Patrick, what is it?
Ces derniers temps, moi, pour mon attitude, quoi, ben, c'est une please.
Patrick, quelle attitude, mon frère?
Natasha, on dit un bagage. Parti pour pas imaginer quel sacrifice que je fais pour vous. Moi, quitter la carrière, moi, juste me capable de vie ensemble avec vous.
I've had enough of that crap. Ou quitter la carrière, ou quitter la carrière. Wow, how many times do I have to hear that? Chaque jour, c'est le même bagage. Même peuple plan. Patrick, please. Il y a assez mal de tête,
Écoutez, une relation pas capable de marcher comme ça.
Qui sont reprochés relation, Patrick? Qui sont reprochés? You're so busy, ou busy au travail. Au travail, ou fait pas, ou même fait pas.
Comme si vous êtes attaché à ma jambe, dans la condition que vous êtes là. Songez bien, là nous t'es remis, là nous t'es petit monde, nous t'es 17 ans, nous t'es 16 ans.
Don't do that to me, please.
Vous pensez que ma foi reproche, je ne vais pas faire reproche, chérie. Nous perdons pas de temps dans la vie. Nous croyons que dans le moment, ça, là, nous sommes capables de rattraper. Mais nous pas dans la mauvaise direction, comme ça.
On me dit, là nous t'es timide.
Sauf ça qui change between que là que nous t'es petit monde que nous avons. Nous croyons que nous avons plus de liberté que nous sommes capables de faire ça.
Mais, l'on vient de gagner, changer le problème dans la vie.
Mais chérie, le problème c'est face ou face, ok? Quel que soit le problème, pour que ça ne puisse pas parler avec. Si ça fait que là, moi là pour vous, quel que soit ça gagnant ou parler avec. Hein? Comment? What happened? What's going on?
I'm sick, Patrick.
You're sick. So, by the way, what the doctor says? Qu'est-ce que le docteur a dit? Ce que le docteur a dit? Parce que
Patrick, il y a sida, Patrick.
So dit? Ou il y a sida?
Le docteur a dit qu'il y a sida.
Comment? Non, non, non. Oh. Non. Non.
Okay.
No. No.
Patrick, come. Patrick, come back, please. Please, Patrick, come back to me.
I don't think so.
Patrick! Oh my God! Oh! My gosh, man. Don't do anything. I hate you. I hate you.
Hello? Hey, baby. Comment est? Me songe, oui. Peut-être que je t'apprends le mot ou pas jamais. I love you too.
Oui, maman. On a téléphone ça toujours. Maman, c'est lui, ma pli. C'est lui. On bat sur téléphone là, maman. Maman, on bat sur téléphone là.
Podem téléphone. Aha. O Dieu bat sur téléphone. Téléphone ça, ma crasse téléphone ça. Parce que c'est un téléphone ça, rebouché en dehors, chambre non pas l'active ou rien. Ma midi soir. Ma crasse téléphone ça. Il y a remède pour.
That's enough.
Come on, man. Help me out, please.
Not help your problem. I'm sorry.
Who tell you that?
I'll give you one more drink. That's enough.
Stella, this is your...
What are you doing calling here?
I want to come home. Listen, I want to come home.
No, I don't want to see you. Don't be coming around here to this home.
Please, no. Please, I can explain. Okay, you know I love you.
Oh, please, that you love me. How dare you say something like this to me? With everything that you've made me go through. We had a beautiful home together. Our careers were blooming.
That's fine. That's... No. Please. Come on. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Please forgive me. Yes, I'm tired now. Okay, I just want to go home.
No, Patrick, I don't want you to come here. I don't want you to get around the children, around the premises. I just don't want you here. You have some nerves. What do you mean you don't want the divorce right now? That you just want to come home? No, what's done is done. I want the divorce. This is incredible. Look, I'll tell you what. Okay, You can come here, but don't you dare try to touch me.
Yes, I'm not gonna touch you. No, 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 no. No, I'm not.
Kiss me, get near me. To me, you're nothing. You hear me? Do you hear me?
I'm not.
Honey, I'm sorry. That was your father. I'm sorry. Your father, Patrick.
I'm here today because I'm in the process of getting ready to purchase some land from a gentleman in Haiti.
Okay.
And because I know that you're familiar with Haiti, I just wanted to get your advice and what do you think I should do?
So what are you thinking about retiring in Haiti?
Well, yeah, I don't know. You never know what can happen.
This is a great land for retirement.
That's what I've been told.
I have so many people do the same way because this is a beautiful place, you know that?
That's exactly correct.
As a matter of fact, I know a guy, he has so many land.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
You can call him from this number right here.
Okay.
Call him and then let him know you get this number from Patrick. From me.
Okay.
And at that point, I believe he will be able to help you.
Okay.
And if there's anything I can do, don't hesitate to call me.
Well, thank you so much. It was nice seeing you, Mr. Patrick.
Thanks a lot, Miss Sandy.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Are you Patrick?
Yes, I am.
I made a collect.
Collect what?
$25,000.
Service leave my office.
On time. The $25,000 from Mr. Jones. Let me tell you something. If I have to come back here again, you'll be dead. Dead. You hear me? Dead, I tell you. Dead. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe that.
Hello?
Hey, Jones, what's wrong with you?
No. Shut up, stupid. You got my $25,000 in your hands. I paid you that to get my clients off the hook.
Your $25,000? Yes, you paid $25,000. I was doing my best. I did my very best. Try to turn your guy loose. But unfortunately, we lost the case.
I don't want to hear that. And I'm not going to let you get me upset. If you want to get upset, that's your problem. But my $25,000 still in your hand.
So now you are a two guy trying to kill me.
Patrick, you accuse me of anything. Do I look like the type of man to commit murder? No. No, man. No, you are mistaken.
You don't have no right to follow me, okay? You're only a client. That's all you are. You're
I am the client. I am the good client who give you $25,000. Yes, I know that. You don't have to remind me that. You are nothing but a stupid jerk liar.
Oh, I'm a liar. I'm a liar now. Okay, I'm going to report to the police and do whatever you have to do.
Don't even think about it. Men like me, You think I would kill a son of a bitch like you? No. What I'm after is my $25,000. You don't know what? You can get upset all night long. Let me tell you something very nice. Go to hell, Patrick.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. My name is Patrick. Patrick Simelus. I'm an attorney. Okay, I would like to report a crime. Okay, will come to my office, please? Come here, please. Come here. Thank you.
Patrick? Finalement, vous avez un téléphone là?
Natasha. Please. Tenez, madame est là, je ne peux pas parler avec vous.
Madame est là. Wow. Quand il y a son problème, madame est là, je ne peux pas parler avec moi.
Écoute.
Oui, mais c'est ça lien?
Attendez. Pas rendre responsable de toute bêtise ça, ok? Parce que bien avant tout, je vous ai fait me connaître d'abord.
Ma bonne jeudi, pas vrai?
Je ne sais pas si je suis capable de boire après-midi. Mais si je m'a fait.
Wow.
Cela veut dire que pour le présent moment, vous voulez faire responsable de toute sa classe, pas vrai? Pendant ce temps, qu'on pas tenir compte de santé, pas moi-même.
Responsable qui ça? Ou pas c'est parce que moi, je protège, je ne vais coucher avant sa capote. Tu vas penser?
Ok, that's it. Bye.
Hey Patrick, what's going on?
Hey, Alan.
It's been a while, bro. Man. How's business?
Everything is good, man.
I know, I'm sorry for the news, bro. I'm sorry for the bad
So what
news.
happened, man? I called you, you never returned my call. What's going on?
Listen. I was on vacation, but I got your message. I'm sorry to hear
That's
that,
a
bro.
nightmare, boy.
You need to admit it and face it head on.
Man, that's a mess, man. That's the worst nightmare.
There is no other way.
That's a nightmare.
She needs your emotional support right
Listen,
now,
I don't
more
hate
than ever.
Natasha. Okay, I want you to understand that. I don't hate her, but the problem is I can accept the fact she's sick. I cannot see her like that.
What you gonna do, Patrick? You losing your head? Be a man, bro. Be a man.
So, je frappe. Sorry, ou pas qu'à l'ouvrir porte non. Où fut mon chien comme ça? Voilà mon vieux chaussette. Sordi là.
Mais si nous bat derrière là, chérie.
Ben, qu'on va l'ouvrir ou dire nos bagailles. Parce que nous t'es très bien là.
Oui.
Faut pas faire fermer Diolo.
C'est pas
des jours fermer Diolo déjà.
C'est pas faute, moi, docteur a dit, c'est pour dire ça. De toute façon, tu connais.
On va pas qu'à fermer museau. Alors, tout ça, docteur a dit, ou quoi, tu t'as dire?
Pas venir ce que là.
Non, mais
Si
son
on
museau,
ce que là, pas dehors. On va sous ça déjà pas même sorti.
Elle fait mal, non? Fait mal? On va pas dire qu'on stomach virus. Quand il était malade, il gagne, t'as obligé de dire qu'on y a. Mais pas tout de suite. Mais qu'on n'y a pas crié. Nous t'ai parlé l'autre jour.
On connaît. 15 ans.
Et monsieur sort gain, faut pour des jours fait mettre jol ou pas dire rien. Allez courir dans territoire.
Si c'était sur ta venir, c'était mon matin.
Ma chère m'a pas là, on m'a foutu pour vous. C'est mal élevé. Sort là. Levez quoi. Ça mange aujourd'hui? Hein? Font bailler vous?
Tout ça, moi j'aime beaucoup.
Eh bien, je vais appeler le médecin. Il a obligé de venir bosser.
Il est parti.
Allez, next à l'homme, bon numéro de téléphone. Donne-moi son numéro de téléphone.
That's all you could do, man.
Alan, this is Nadia.
Alan, nice meeting you.
Can I please talk to you about a client?
Yeah.
Bon,
Tu dois essayer de la rendre pas plus pour le téléphone.
Ok. On est important.
Tu vas vérifier avec moi.
Ok. 954.
274.
Hello?
Patrick. C'est Sandra,
How may I help you?
l'amie de Natacha. Je ne comprends pas. Ça que se passe là, je ne comprends pas. Pour venir là, rentrer dans le vite fait pour fouiller bon là où aller.
Please, I'm going to call you back, okay?
Dans notre tête, même monsieur a fermé sous moi. Ah non. Je ne pas fermer le téléphone sous moi. Hey, no.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Cabinet Simmons, may I help you?
Je ne besoin pas la Patrick, s'il vous plaît.
Ma'am, he is in a meeting right now and he cannot talk to you at this moment. How can I help you?
Madame Nouye?
No, ma'am, I'm not his wife. I just work here. How may I help you?
Ok, je besoin pas la faire ou après les monsieur à mettre sous téléphone en kounya.
Ma'am, there's no need to be rude. I'm just trying to find out what you need if there's somebody else who can help you.
Qui attitude m'a baillé soit emergency, je ne besoin pas la Patrick. Foutez dans le téléphone là. Et bon, quand ça gagne un ballon message, mais dit Natacha à l'hôpital, la mourir.
Okay, I will give him the message. Thank you. Bye-bye. What's going on here?
Come on. Listen, I don't ask you to lie. This is not a lie. I'm in a meeting. You see I have someone here.
You told me to answer the phone when you know who it was.
Please.
So anyway, I gotta go. I gotta run. As you know, Patrick, I have a lot of things to do today. So I just said to myself, let me step by to pay you a visit.
Thank you, Alex.
But remember, Natasha needs your emotional support more than ever.
Just me.
I got it.
That's okay. I got it. Thank you, Alan. Don't ever embarrass me like that.
Embarrass you? What about me? I will work for you. I don't have to lie for you.
Do you need your job?
Of course I need my job.
Okay, so keep it. Keep it that way.
I'm not gonna lie for you.
Keep it.
By the way, that person told me to tell you that Natasha, whoever that is in the hospital. And when you come back, we'll talk about your time.
Tasha.
The pressure's a little bit low. feeling a lot of pain,
reference to Natasha.
What's going on?
Well, she came in through the ambulance and she's not doing well.
Oh gosh, she is in bad shape. Is that your wife?
What? Patrick! What are you doing here? What's going on here? What? Oh my goodness.
Excuse me.
Natasha. Wait a second, this can't be. This cannot be. You're the one of the flowers, the one that my husband has any other woman's thing inside my car.
You gave it to this woman, Natasha.
There is no Natasha.
Yes, there is. What about the flowers and the smell on your shirt?
Oh, now what about the smell?
Yes, that's...
Okay, that's the whole thing about the smell.
Oh my gosh, and you have AIDS. Oh my God, no, this can't be. This can't be. No, this can't be. I need to get the doctor right now. I don't feel very well right now. I can't take it.
I do believe we have the evidence we were looking for.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, you see? You see his face? See the guy? And there's a gun? And they're talking about some $25,000. I don't know what's going on.
$25,000 involved?
Yeah.
See what time it is already. Okay. We have to move on. Okay, honey. You don't want to eat? You're not hungry? You know I love you, right? Mm-hmm. I love you. I'm very proud of you. Honey, did you pick up the room by any chance? Patrick, what are you doing here?
Stella.
Estella, what?
Come on, baby. We need...
Don't baby me. No, we don't need nothing. If you need to do something in this house, is to get your clothes, which is upstairs.
Come on, we don't have to go to that.
Yes, we do. I want you out of this house.
No, please just give me 1 second. I can explain to you.
I don't want any explanation. Everything is open. Everything has been opened up in the air.
Dad? Please, go to your room. Go to your room.
Honey, please go to your room.
Yes, go. I have to talk to you. Estella.
I don't like to do this in front of the children.
Yes, I know. But Natasha was... She was
my patient. Okay?
Yeah,
she
but
was my patient.
She's my client too.
You're all really client with benefits, right?
No, come on.
How dare you?
Estella.
Don't touch me. You're nobody to come inside this house. I want you out of here, okay? She was mine. She was my patient, okay?
Okay, I can see
and
that.
I know what she had, okay? You risked our family. You risked my health. You risked your health,
Okay, who do you think you are?
Please, because someone called me and then told me she was sick.
How dare you talk to me? How dare you tell me about these things? Okay, I was her nurse. I saw you over there. How can you do this to me? Get out! I'm not your boy. I want you out of here. I want the divorce. I want the divorce papers. I want you to leave.
There's no divorce going on inside this house.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
there's
that's what I'm
not.
trying to tell you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we don't need divorce.
Really, we don't, because you are the grand lawyer, the one that knows everything, the one on top of the world, okay? And then I was nothing, all right? And then you went off with Natasha, right? And you risked everything, even your health and my health and the children's health. How can you come back? How can you come back?
Come on.
No, I want you out of here. I want you out of here.
Come on,
right now. Get out.
Stella.
Get out right now.
We can work this out.
Don't touch me.
Come on.
Yes, I'm gonna work it out.
Hey, no.
Get out!
No.
Get out of this house! Get out of my house! Get out of it! I want you out!
That's expired. Expired coffee, please.
How you doing?
Would you like something to say?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
What's up?
I was trying to call you, but your phone is disconnected.
No, Patrick, it's not disconnected. I turn it off. It's a weekend.
Oh, okay. That's good.
What's going on?
I'm here to apologize for.
Excuse us.
That's a nice kid.
Thank you.
There's something I would like to talk to you about, Nadia, and this is something regarding a case I'm working on right now. And this case is about a friend of mine, and he went to bed with a woman, and that particular woman, she's.
Wait a minute. You interrupt my weekend to come here and talk to me about the case?
Yes.
You cannot wait for tomorrow?
No. That's very important, Nadia. That's very important.
But
So what do you want from me? How can I help you?
okay, do you think by kissing somebody that
You're making me laugh now. By kissing someone.
kiss somebody?
Kiss somebody, okay?
Yeah, do you think that person can be contaminated?
No.
Okay, that's good. So,
Anything else?
no.
But there is a way that person can get contaminated.
Oh.
Sexually.
Okay.
If you're sexually involved with someone, yes, you can get contaminated. Especially if you don't use a condom.
Oh, wow.
What's your problem? What is wrong with you? You asking me a question for a friend and you look like you're the friend.
No. I'm okay.
You don't look okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I better go.
Yes, do that. And you and your friend need to go get tested. Either one of you or your friend.
He's going to be available, so I'm taking you there and see. And it's not the end of the world either. You know, having HIV, you could live with it. Hey, I'm not saying it's a good thing, but hey. Come in, Patrick. Come in. Don't worry, man. In about 10-15 minutes, we should be out there. Okay? All right. Doctor should be here in about 5 minutes. Be short, very short. Have a seat, Patrick. 10 to 15 minutes, we should be done with the test, but get out of here. Don't worry, boy. Looks like you're worried. Calm down. I'll be back, Patrick. Thank you.
Hey Patrick, how you doing? I'm Dr. Bob. No sir, I'm not Patrick. Patrick, step out. Alright. So it's coming back. Oh Patrick, hi, how you doing?
Alright, how you doing? How you doing, Dr. Brown? I'm not Mr. Patrick.
You're not Patrick?
I'm Mr. Allen.
Allen? I
was the one who called you yesterday. He
No,
said
no.
the appointment for my friend. You're getting a little confused.
He told me Patrick step out. He told me that.
No, that's a little confusion. I'm
Who's
Mr.
Patrick?
Allen.
Who is Patrick then?
I brought my friend Patrick here to for a test.
I just asked you. Your name is Patrick? Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm Patrick.
Can I? Are you okay?
I'm fine, yeah.
All right. Can I see your ID? All right. You can wait for him. Come with me, Patrick. That's okay. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Hi, Patrick. Why did your name wasn't Patrick? What's going on? Why are you so stressed out?
Come on, man. Please. You don't know. If you was on my shoes, you don't know what happened to
So
me.
talk to me, bro.
I don't have no life, okay? My life
What
is
do you mean?
over. My life is upside down. My wife, she's already left me. And now I don't have no place to stay. And that's a big mess. And
What's going on?
I should ask nobody around.
No, this is confidential.
Okay, thank you. The worst happened to me. I met a young, beautiful lady.
I got you.
And
First time? First encounter?
I'm not gonna say first time because we were.
You met her before?
Yeah, we
All right.
were
I got you.
boyfriend, girlfriend, and for some reason, man, we went to bed. You know, and
I hope you use condom. Did you use condom?
Man, as a matter of fact, she did give me the condom.
She did. Okay, that's good. She's smart.
Yeah, but I didn't use it.
What? She gave it to you?
I did not.
Did not use it? Oh my God. That's not smart thing to do.
I don't know, you know.
Do you know that considered like a suicidal attempt? Trying to kill yourself? What's going on? Why did you use it? What happened?
Man, she's beautiful. She's smart.
So what?
Man, I want to feel her, man. So bad.
You want to feel what?
Man.
You want to feel death?
Not death.
I mean, you want to feel what? You feel what? You want to feel what? Tell me. You want to feel what? Tell me.
Lady,
Talk to me.
She's.
Doesn't mean anything. Your life comes first.
That's stupid.
You forgot to use it. You forgot or didn't use it on your
Man,
own.
as a lawyer, man, I feel like, man, I'm the dumbest person in the world.
You mean to say you are a lawyer? A girl give you condom and you didn't use it? I wish they had taught you sex education in law school. That's tough. You know something?
She's nice, man. She's
No matter how nice she is, remember, before having sex with somebody, make sure you know her or his HIV status. Because everybody is HIV positive until proven otherwise.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
You cannot looking at me, looking at her, say she's not HIV. You don't know. The only way you can find out, have her tested. That's the best thing to do. Well, I hope you're okay. I hope the test is negative. However, if it's positive, then we will do our best for you to make life better. If they will be okay, that's okay. If it will be okay. Come with me. Don't panic, but be alright. Come with me.
Ooh, welcome. This is Reverend Alce. What can I do for you, officer?
I hate liars. Step out. You're under arrest.
Reverend Alce?
You're under arrest.
For what?
What's going on? This is not good. Dr. Brown.
Alright, how you doing?
I called this patient many times.
Alright, don't worry. I'll take care of it.
All right, thank you.
Hi, Patrick. It's Dr. Brown. We're trying to call you for the past few days. Unfortunately, unable to get in touch with you. Would you please call my office? It's very important. Call my office. Okay, you know the office number. It's 561-274-0075. Thank you. Bye-bye.
How can this be? I don't understand. My husband, how can you do this to me?
Because this is a nice guy. I don't know. I'm sorry. The jury, listen to me, somebody. Nobody wants to listen now. No. Nobody. Nobody wants to listen. Where is everybody?
Si je dis m'a chanté pour vous chérie, faut qu'on comprenne, c'est d'où le cap déchiré cœur. Non même la cour, la caille nous t'écoundit. Premier ménage, premier amour, premier sourire. Yon va grand-mère passer séparer nous. Maman voyait jeter dans l'autre pays. La nuit qu'on joue, ou à chercher la vie. Nouveaux amis, nouveaux voisins, nouveaux ménages. Moi t'es toujours rêvé de ou encore. Comme une belle femme qui est capable de chasser la paix. Dans une soirée, la vie nous retournait. Dédie les cieux, merci pour cadeau ça. 2 jours après, moi, y a point que vous malade. Yon maladie, yo coco ka joindre remède. Pour qui c'est vous, pour qui c'est moi la